Hi everyone, my name is Zane MSW. I am a student at Widener's dual degree MSW online, Master of Education in Human Sexuality, brick and mortar classes. This is my second semester in the school, and I guess to talk about my experience with learning research. My undergrad, which seems so long ago, I did do a statistics class and did some research as far as paper goes, nothing where we did actual, control group experiment type stuff where we're comparing one to the other, as opposed to just looking up different articles and reading and relating them to a project that we're working on. I suppose what makes research fun for me is the subject of the research. So, if I had to research how we're helping little kids in hospitals, I would think maybe that's not for me. But if I'm researching how we're helping veterans in the VA system somehow, maybe I'd be more into it because that's what interests me. The thing that excites me about this class is it's only 7 weeks long. I can't imagine having to do these online courses for 14, 15 weeks. I might actually lose my mind, and that would be unfortunate for me. So, I am looking forward to getting this class started. Looking forward to having it end even more. So, hopefully this 7 weeks goes by quick, and I'll be seeing some of you in the next class. Have a good day.